Menopause is like painting a room that you've lived in for years. At first, you might be uncertain or resistant to change because you've grown comfortable with how things have always been. Just like how a room can feel familiar with its current color, your body has had a consistent rhythm for years. But eventually, you realize it's time for something new, a fresh start. When you start painting, you need to prepare, you cover the floors, you remove the furniture, and choose the right tools. In menopause, preparation is key too. Understanding that changes in your body, seeking the right support, and exploring hormone therapies or lifestyle adjustments can all be helpful. As you apply the paint, it might take multiple coats. Just like navigating menopause, you might not get it right the first time. You may need to adjust your approach, try new techniques, and give yourself time to adapt to the changes. During the process, it can feel chaotic, like the room is a mess and you're not sure when it will all come together. In menopause, the physical and emotional symptoms can feel overwhelming, like your body's going through a complete overhaul. But then, as the paint dries and the room comes together, you see the amazing transformation. The room is refreshed with a new identity, similar to how you will become in menopause, emerging with a new sense of self. You've adapted, you've transformed, and you've created a new chapter that's just as beautiful, even if different than before.